Mark and Kay both want to do motion control. They want their character to replicate motion from a reference video. Motion control should be free. Mark uses AI video models. He feels like it's a money printer. Every click costs money. He already spent $200, and he keeps re-rolling, re-roll after re-roll. Kay is smart. He goes to Viggle. Upload, generate, done. He gets perfect motion in one shot for free. Motion control should be precise. Mark sticks with AI video models. This is what he gets: muddy textures, weird artifacts, clothes melting. When it comes to complex motion, something wrong every time. Kay is a smart boy. He goes to Viggle. He gets completely precise motion, exactly as he wants. Clean, stable, accurate. Viggle is precise. Motion control should be fast. Mark is dumb. Mark still doesn't give up. He's still using AI video models. Days pass. His hair turns gray. He's still waiting. Meanwhile, Kay remains smart and even got his PhD. He loves Viggle. Because Viggle doesn't waste his time. Viggle is instant. Now, what's your choice?